Hello everyone, today I would like to show you all how to connect your AirPods to an iPhone 16. Let's have a look. First, put your AirPods in their charging case and close the lid. You need to keep the AirPods in their charging case for 15 seconds. Make sure your AirPods are sufficiently charged before trying to connect them. Now on your iPhone 16, open Settings app, then tap Bluetooth and turn on Bluetooth. Next, open your AirPods case lid next to your iPhone 16. For the best results, keep your AirPods in the open case as close as possible to your iPhone. Then tap Connect when you see the setup prompt that will appear on your iPhone 16. For new AirPods, follow the on-screen instructions and tap Done to connect your AirPods. For old AirPods, you will see Hold button. Press and hold the button on the back of the charging case. So press and hold on the back of the charging case until you see a blinking white light on the case. Now you can tap skip button. For personalized special audio, you can tap get started or not now. Announce calls and notifications. Tap announce calls and notifications. That's it. AirPods connected with iPhone 16. So these are the steps to connect your AirPods to an iPhone 16. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.